Ben from Snowy's here, folks. Today we're checking out this pop-up collapsible water carrier. This is a collapsible unit, packs flat for storage and pops up when you want to use it. It's got a removable tap, removable lid, and is super kid friendly. This is how the water carrier looks when it's packed up for storage. 370 centimeters, including the tap there, 325 across this way, about 85 centimeters in height, and weighs around about 1 kilo, so nice and easy to stick inside the car. Then when you're ready to use it, this lid just pops off there, locks into place. Grab this handle here, which expands out, pop it right up, and that comes out to 265 centimeters in height. We've now got 12 liters of storage inside there. Tap on the front that is removable. If you have a look inside here, there is a little tap in there that you can actually unscrew, remove that if you like, to either replace it or just for cleaning. And this big opening on the top here makes for easy refills and easy storage. Made from food grade and BPA free silicone on the sides here, these collapsible bits, and also polypropylene and TPE materials, all food grade and BPA free materials. And the real beauty of this is the shape of it. The simple shape of it means it's really sturdy when it's sitting on the table in the campsite. Easy to operate tap on the front here, so it's really kid friendly. They're not going to knock the water over and waste a heap of water while you're in your campsite. A really functional and portable way to get water in the campsite, but also just for outdoor events or a weekend down at the beach. Easy to carry with a big handle on the top there. Great option to keep you hydrated. That is the pop-up 12 litre water carrier. Check it out online at snowys.com.au, where you'll find it at our lowest prices every day. Got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for all of our latest information, or check out some other videos like this one down here.